Secretly Mads.
Welcome! Let's kill Mario. Okay, so this game came out early January 2016, and it's about killing Mario, or killing the plumber. The game states there are no similarities to be drawn to other characters. So let's check it out. Okay. Sire, maniac is in our kingdom. What? Send the troops. Okay, so... Alright, moving with the arrow keys. And kill the plumber. Alright, okay, so he ended up... Oh! There we go. So, I did terribly even at the first level. Okay, so we have to time this right, and... No! Oh, okay. 1 star. Second level, 1 star. What? 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 Okay. Hey. Okay. 3 stars. Okay. Oh no! Oh. Replay, of course. How do we catch him here? No! Jump and jump. Replay. Oh, I get it. We can do that a lot quicker, I think. There we go. Still only 1. Oh, okay, 2 stars. Use your head. Okay. That's easy enough. What? Oh no! Can't I jump? Alright. Oh, I control 2 of them. Oh, okay. I have to stand here. Haha. Ah. Okay. We have to move right away. Ah. Ha! Okay. Oh, what's this fella? Oh, we can jump now. Great. Okay. How does that feel, Mario? Your time to get stomped. 3 stars. Yes! Okay. Of course not. So, Do we even go up? Yeah. Okay. Now. Quicker. Faster. Stronger. Come on! Ow. Okay, we have to be just incredibly fast. This might not even be how we do it. Come on! Yes! World 1 in the bag. Okay. Press down to start. That's a good one. Okay. Alright. Run, Mario. Run. I think we can take him on the first one here. Oh. God dang it! He outsmarted us. No! He stops there, right? Go on. Okay, I think we're supposed to kill him with the last one. Okay. I did get 3 stars. Have I lost already then? Okay. This keyboard! No! No! Yes! Okay. You can throw axes. Oh, there he goes. Die! You can't escape my axes of doom. Is there a strategy that... We can't fail this one, can we? No! Okay, restart. That's so lucky. Oh, can this one shoot fireballs? Oh, yes, it can. Can jump so high. Ah, yes. Okay. I think we can do better here. Yes! 2 stars. That's enough. Okay. Whoa. No. No. Okay. Do we just wait for him? Yeah. Okay, I'll take it. Oh nice. Yeah! A bound! I can't jump! These ones can't jump. Oh, listen to the music. Oh. How do I get past these ones? Okay. Oh yeah! Yes! Nice! Damn it! What? I wish there was some kind of instant replay system. I'm gonna have to watch that back. I have no idea what happened. But I will take it. Okay. It's a fade. Okay. Oh! You're a ghost. Okay, can only move when he's not looking. It's fine. Can we take him out already there? No, okay. He's not looking at. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Can't pass. No! How do we do this one then? Perhaps now? Yes! Or ah. Make him collect all green coins to disable his powers. Okay. He's gonna follow that road anyway, isn't he? No. Oh. I think this one solves itself. Oh yeah! Instant death. Okay, grab all the things. Grab it. Oh, no! Okay, Mario. Take the coins. Take the coins, Mario. Please. Please. One more. One more. Booyah, come on. Okay. Hoop. To fire bullet. Press left or right to fire bullet. Ah, okay. If we just fire all the time, he kills himself. Wait, I have some ghosts. What are they for? Oh! Nice. That was so lucky, I did not understand that one. Green coins will weaken him. Fine. Grab them then. Oh! Oh! Ah, fantastic. Oh yeah. Nice. Okay. Is he supposed to come to me then? How does this work? Do I die if I drop down into lava? Yes. Yes, I do. I've proven I can't get across. Oh, okay. But jump. Ah, okay, so we have to time this. Okay. Okay. Come on. Replay. That's it. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. How do I get him to take the... okay, I get it. No, no, no. This one's really difficult. Can I step on this? No. Okay. No, 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 no! You're doing it? Yes, Mario. Eat the coins. Shoot him! Little bastard. How was I supposed to do that any quicker? Okay. Okay. Oh, he's still invincible. Alright. No, no, no! This guy's so slow. Yes! I have to move this hand. Okay. I can't move! I can't move! No, no, no! Oh. The game glitched out for a second. Oh, come on, the same mistake every time! No! Again! No, 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 no! This is gonna take hours. Hours! No, 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 no! No, no, no! Slam. Jump again! Slam! Slam! No! No, 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 no! I'm so bad at this game. Oh my god! No, no, no! I have to reach. I have to reach. Come on, reach it. Come on! I'm not giving up. I can reach. I can reach. Oh, okay, so he jumps after me. That's great. No, no, no! No. Okay. Okay, I killed myself. Oh! Can I? Oh, okay. Come on! Yes! We did it. I think I'm gonna take a break. I hope you have enjoyed murdering the plumber. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.